welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Asia and I'm a zero-based budgeter, which means that I take all of my income and I assign each dollar a purpose for my overall goal of tracking my spending, getting out of debt, and creating wealth. So on today's video, I'm going to be unstuffing one of my savings challenges and putting it into a different area. So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely stay tuned. And if you like this type of content, consider subscribing down to my channel below. And at the very least, please give this video a like because it helps my channel out and I appreciate it. With all that said, let's get started. Hey guys, just popping in to say that this is actually a continuation of my previous video that I posted and I ended up running out of time. So yeah, we're just picking up where we left off. Oh, totally forgot. Wait, and I totally forgot I am unstuffing this right here. This savings fund for my daughter and son. They have, initially I was going to put this money into their, like, my Ally savings account, but when I got some extra money, I just put it in there, and I want to use this money for like more, like, not savings, but like actual spending for them, so that things don't get, other areas of tight, and I just want to like kind of fluff up the area with that I use for them. So let's just separate this all out. Oop. And count it on up, see what's here, and stuff what we can, so I just have more of a little buffer in each area, and I don't have to stuff so much since I don't really have a lot to stuff already, for different accounts for them. So let's bring back out this spending envelope. Put the 20s there, 10s. Oh, let's count it and see how much we have. Let's do that. See how much we saved up for them. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 215, 220, 225, 226, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. $241. So where are we gonna put this? Well, let's bring out the envelopes that are for them. So dining, because I spend on them. Kids fun. And maybe birthday, because my son's birthday is coming up in December. And then, I thought there was diapers and wipes. Where'd the diapers and wipes go? Maybe that's in my sinking funds. I'm still getting used to how I set up my envelope, so don't come for me. It's not in bills, is it? Because it is a bill, but I don't think I put it there. Nope. What's so funny, girl? I think it's in my sinking funds. I could put some in clothes, yep, and diapers and wipes and Christmas maybe. So, in no specific order, we're just gonna, birthday. Okay, let's get diapers and wipes. I'll put $50 in there. 50 in diapers and wipes. So now in diapers and wipes I have 20, 40, 50, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and $77. 77, 77, 80, 97, 98, 99, 100. just balance it out into 100 because those diapers and wipes be coasting.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
So just round that out. And a lot of the times I usually do the Target thing where if you spend $100 in diapers and wipes, you get a $20 gift card back. So that's what I normally do. So we'll add that there. That's my daughter running. If you hear that in the background. So that, clothes, I will put $40 because it has nothing. $40 in clothes. So that's the sinking funds done. Dining, I will add, how are we gonna do this? So we got 40. Okay, so dining, I'll put 40. I just don't want to put so much in spending because I don't need to spend that much, but I want to have it there if I need to. So spending, I'll put, in dining, I'll put 50. I'm not gonna kid myself. A nice thing my friend did too, she knows I'm on a tight budget and I have the kids and working and stuff, so she offered to buy me food once a week. So I'm gonna take advantage of that. Kids fun, here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's $50 in kids fun. I'll put that there. Maybe I'll just put 40. 40 in kids fun. 20 in kids fun because I forgot about Christmas. I hear Ryan waking up. I got to get to moving. He's like, you're taking too long, mommy. Okay, so 30 in birthdays. I'm like shaking. He's gonna start crying. You guys hear him. Okay, so this last amount is gonna go into Christmas. I'm so frantic. It's like he's a little terrorizer and I'm like scared to like do anything. I gotta go get him. But anyways, this is for Christmas. Here's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and $28. And it's gonna go into my Christmas, and I have some money there, which I didn't think I had any money. So hey, look at me. So let me count this, please, Ryan. Okay, so for Christmas I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 124 in Christmas. So yay, I just got to beef up a little bit more of my account so that I have more of like a little bit of, you know, a little fluff. So yeah, thank you, savings. I can't even think. Savings challenge. That's what they're for, you know. I saved it. Now I can move it around as I see fit. So anyways, thank you so much. Oops. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate each and every person that stayed to watch and that watches all my videos. If you like this type of content and if you like my videos, please give me a like and consider subscribing so you can stay on this budgeting journey with me. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.